In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom home screen for GoHighLevel. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance your website's user experience or a designer aiming to expand your skill set, this guide will have you masterfully crafting a seamless and personalized homepage interface in just a few steps. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by adding a handy feature, a floating header menu. This is an essential aspect of your website's user interface, and luckily you won't need any coding skills to create it. Begin by navigating to the Sites section and opting for either funnels or websites size, depending on your setup. From here, choose the specific page you want to modify and click on Edit Page. Once you're in the editor, it's time to add the header section by selecting plus Add Section and then choosing Header. Now that your header section is ready, you can bring your navigation elements into play. Drag and drop your logo using the image element, and insert your menu links with either text or menu elements. Don't forget to include functional buttons like Book Now or Contact for easy access and engagement. Now that the basic structure is set, making it user-friendly is crucial. Let's make that header sticky. Simply click on the header section you just created, and focus on the left panel where you'll scroll down to Advanced Settings. Here, toggle the sticky on scroll option to on and set the position to top. This crucial adjustment ensures that your menu remains at the top of the page, consistently visible as users navigate through your content. Next, to make your header truly pop, you'll want to focus on styling it. You can enhance its visibility by adjusting the background color. Make sure it complements your site's theme yet stands out distinctively. Additionally, tweak the padding settings for a well-balanced look and create a clean contemporary feel with a shadow effect. A subtle shadow can be added using the CSS code box shadow 0, 2px, 10px, RGBA 0.1, which gives a sleek and floating appearance, adding to the modernity of your design. With everything in place, it's time for the final step, saving and testing your new design. Hit save, then proceed to preview your changes. As you scroll down your page, your sticky header should maintain its presence, allowing users to access navigation elements readily. This function not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but significantly enhances the user experience